Let me show you how I took advantage of an arbitrage opportunity on Humanity token. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification button so you'll be abreast on every update that we'll make on the channel. If the video turns out to become helpful at the end of the day, please do not forget to like and also drop in the comment section any questions you have for us. Now, the first thing I did to get this arbitrage opportunity is use a personal tool that I use to always find out arbitrage opportunities. And trust me, if this video gets up to 20 likes, I will definitely show you guys or make a video showing you guys how I used that tool to get this opportunity. Now, when I used that tool, it showed me Humanity token as an arbitrage opportunity on Valeris Network. So what I just did was I came to CoinMarketCap. That's after the app had picked out the token for me. I came to CoinMarketCap and then I searched for Humanity. Just search for Humanity. This is it here. So I picked on the Humanity token. And as you can see at the top here, the current price for Humanity token is 0.7383. That's the current price for Humanity token. And if you scroll down, which is the most important part for us here, you scroll down, you see that this is on Ethereum network. Now I have already imported this token into my wallet, so I can actually view and trade on it. But if you haven't, you can copy the contract address and then do so. So now let's go to our Trust Wallet where we're going to perform the arbitrage opportunity. Now I exit out of this and then go to my Trust Wallet. In my Trust Wallet, first off, let's just this is my home, this is my balance, and as you can see, I have about 8,900 USDT in Ethereum or on Ethereum, and that's what I'm planning to use for this video because I'm planning to use my USDT to do the transaction. So the next thing to do will be to go to your discover, and once you're here, the next thing to do will be at the top, just type in Valeris Network. Valeris Network now, and hit on the enter, and this will load. Now if you haven't connected your wallet, it is advisable to connect your wallet because you will not be able to do anything on the platform without a connected wallet. Now if you do not know how to do this, a link will be provided at the top of the screen that leads to a video that shows you how to connect your wallet to Valeris Network. Now the next thing we want to do once we are connected here is to click on the menu icon. Once you click on that, we'll go to swap. Once you go to swap, at this point here, all we just have to do is click on this toggle button so it toggles and places our USDT at the top. So this now means we are swapping USDT for some other token. Now the next thing to do will be to click on the Ether token, so it will pop out this token selection box. On this token selection box, just type in Humanity. Now we can see it here. There's something I want you to notice. Pay attention to the price difference here. You can see the price that is shown on the Humanity token here on the Valeris network. This is 59 cents. Now if we come back to CoinMarketCap, we have, just hold on, we have if we come back to CoinMarketCap, we have Humanity token at the price of 72 cents. So this is far the price on Valeris network is far less than the price on CoinMarketCap. So the next one we'll do is come back here. Now as we've selected Humanity, we'll pick on it, select it. Now this is selected. All I just want to do is buy Humanity token worth $2,000. So if I put in that amount, I am getting about 3,374 Humanity token. Now click on swap and hit this. Click the swap. Give it a few seconds to process. Now as you can see, the transaction has been processed successfully, and you can see my current balance of Humanity. Now the interesting part is when we go back to Trust Wallet and see what balance we have. I come back to my home on Trust Wallet. Just give this a few seconds to update, reflect the transaction we just did. Just hold on. And this takes some time. I guess it's probably trying to run through the market, and as you can see, voila, we have our Humanity token. But I want you to pay attention to something. Now on my Humanity token here, you can see the value that we got here. This is 2,400, but we spent 2,000 Ether to do this. Now we can click on the humanity token, click on activities, and as you can see on the activity section, we swapped 2k ether, sorry, 2k tether to 3.4k humanity token, and this turns out to be 2,432. This is like $400 above what we're supposed to get at the end of the day. So this is a very brilliant arbitrage opportunity. And like I said, guys, before, if this video gets up to 20 likes, I promise I'm going to make a video that shows how I get these arbitrage opportunities each time. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do not forget to click on the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. This helps helps the algorithm, and also turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I make up any updates, you would get it. And if you have any questions, please do not forget to drop it on the comment section. Stay good.